Singh. Yes, Shweta Miss. I had done my postgraduate from Kadina University, that is from Mumbai University. I am still teaching in one junior college, that is Sriram Junior College. I had an experience of being teaching in chemistry subject for 2 years in Artiwag Junior College. As well as I had an experience of 1 year being a coordinator, that is supervisor of a new life education school which is located in Sativali. As well as student, I have been teaching science and geometry. Now also been teaching in one junior college. I had running my own classes from standard first to a degree standard. Now I want to be a student to you to clear all those queries which is regarding your subject concentration or regarding your stream. So now Shweta Miss are on a YouTube platform. So I want you to subscribe my channel as well as taking my own lecture which is very in a simplicity, and I want to give a good wishes to all HSC students and SSC students who are passed in 2020-22 batches. Now, but what is main problem? The students are very confused कि miss कौन सा stream ले? So I want to clear that student who want a basic to be clear or who score good marks, less marks, medium मिला, इतना मिला, that doesn't matter student. The most important thing कि आपको किस में interest है, आप किस में आगे जाना चाहते हो, वो स्ट्रीम आप चूज कीजिए. If you can go in arts, you can go in science, you can go, if you can go in commerce, you can go. If you want to take commerce, you can. If you want to move towards the banking, if you want to be a being professional in a teaching way or in a lawyer way, you can go towards to taking a arts. But मैं यही बोलना चाहती हूँ, जो भी लेना चाहते हो दिमाग को कूल करके पेशेंटली सिंप्लिसिटी और जिसमें आपको अपना फ्यूचर नजर आए कि मैं इसको इजीली कर सकता हूँ टैकल, तभी आप वो लीजिए. बाकी कोई भी सब्जेक्ट डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता है, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हार्ड नहीं होता है. सिर्फ हार्ड होता है तो क्या कि आप जो नहीं सोच पाते हैं, जो नहीं कर पाते हैं, वो हार्ड हो जाता है. और अब तो मिस आ गए हैं यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पे, तो एवरीथिंग इज फाउंड टू बी वेरी इजी. तो नाउ इन योर माइंड कंफ्यूजन कि मिस क्या बताएंगे यूट्यूब पे आके. सो आई वांट टू क्लियर दिस. नाउ I want to be on YouTube because I want to clear all your subject concentration or subject confusion regarding science, maths, chemistry, physics, which is student found miss सबसे difficult subject है. तो now miss आ गए हैं तो सब difficulty खत्म होने वाला है. अब मैं इसे बहुत ही easy और simplicity में आप सबके सामने लेकर आने वाली हूँ. So be ready and be dedicated and be starting work towards your study.